What can you get for $2 million in Diamond Head? Today we're diving into an exciting real estate listing that's right in the heart of Oahu's most iconic neighborhoods, Diamond Head. We're going to explore a property located on Leahi Avenue, right on the park, and talk about the pros and cons of this home, its price point, and what you can expect living in this area. Hi, I'm Chris Shomo, real estate agent and owner and founder of Home Sweet Home Hawaii Real Estate, brokered by eXp Realty. If this is your first time on our channel and you want to know everything there is about living in Hawaii, go ahead and subscribe below and also tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Hawaii. Okay, we're taking a look at an example of a $2 million property in Diamond Head today. Let's jump right in. Let's start with the basics. This home is on Leahi Avenue. It sits at the base of the iconic Diamond Head crater in a historic neighborhood. The house is listed for $2,180,000, which is actually a very competitive price point for the Diamond Head area, given the location and the amenities that are included. The average sales price in Diamond Head typically hovers around the $5 million price point. This home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 1,312 square feet of interior living, and it sits on a lot that's approximately 6,500 square feet. The home was completely renovated in 2021. They gutted it down to the frame and rebuilt it. The layout is open concept living space, and the living area was designed for the views, with lots of windows and natural light, looking out over Kapiolani Park and all the way out to the ocean. The homeowner kept the original hardwood floors, so it has this combined design style of both charming and modern. Since it's an older home, it doesn't have central air conditioning. The bedrooms have split air conditioning units, and it's configured right now to have a 2-bedroom kitchen and a bathroom in the front of the house, and then a 1-bedroom and 1-bath unit in the back. But the layout can be reverted to its original layout, so multiple options for the living area. Space is a commodity everywhere, as you can imagine, some more than others, and this home has a large yard, which is unusual on the street. In Hawaii, outdoor living is a must. Now let's get into some benefits as well as some challenges. First, several benefits. One of the main benefits is the prime location. The location of this home is undoubtedly one of the biggest selling points. Diamond Head is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Hawaii, and this home sits right at its base. Your easy walking distance to Kapiolani Park, you are literally right on the park. And the Waikiki Shell, where there are lots of concerts, is a 5-minute walk away. And just a little further down is the Honolulu Zoo and Waikiki Beach. Plus, if you're a nature lover, the Diamond Head hiking trail is right there as well. So benefits include close proximity to the beach, parks, and the vibrant culture of Waikiki, and all the shopping and dining. The neighborhood is also a huge benefit. Diamond Head is known as a prestigious neighborhood. There are a lot of luxury homes, many of which are owned by Hawaii's elite and out-of-state buyers. So the benefits of living in Diamond Head means you're surrounded by beauty, history, as well as some exclusivity. It's a peaceful neighborhood, but still close to the action for those who like that. Another huge benefit is the value. Homes in Diamond Head hold their value well, typically increasing at a very minimum 4% to 6% each year. And this could be a solid long-term investment. And now several potential drawbacks that come with this property. Number one, of course, is the price point. While the price point is competitive for Diamond Head, it's still on the high end compared to other neighborhoods on Oahu. So the cost can make it prohibitive for many families, and with the current market trends, prices are only continuing to rise. Currently, as I shoot this video, there are only 18 single-family homes active for sale in the Diamond Head neighborhood, listed starting just under $4 million and as high as $27 million. And in the past 6 months, sold prices range from as low as $2.2 million to hovering around $6.5 million. But just so you know, that doesn't include other neighborhoods that share the Diamond Head zip code of 96816. These neighborhoods include Palolo, Kaimuki, Kapuhulu, which can be less expensive, St. Louis, Waialainui Valley, Maunalani Heights, Wilhelmina, Kahala, and Kahala's Black Point. The last two, Kahala and Kahal's Black Point, definitely have the higher prices found in Diamond Head. So another con can be the tourist traffic. Living near one of Hawaii's most popular tourist attractions definitely has its downsides. Diamond Head sees a lot of foot traffic, especially during peak tourist times and holidays, because of Waikiki, of course, being so close, because of the park, and because of the Waikiki shell, and also from hikers. While the neighborhood itself is quiet, the surrounding areas can get a bit busy. Now on that note, there are parking limitations. So another thing to consider is the parking situation. Homes in this area can deal with very limited parking. So if you're hosting guests or if you have multiple vehicles, parking can become a challenge. And this is especially an issue when there's an event at the Waikiki Shell because there's not much parking there. So people literally have to park on the streets in the neighborhood and they just walk to the shell. Okay, to wrap it up, this property is a beautiful home in an incredible location. From the iconic views of Diamond Head from your backyard to the lifestyle combination that's both upscale and laid back, it's no wonder this area is so sought after. Sure, there are some challenges like the price and the maintenance, but if you're looking for a home in one of the most desirable neighborhoods on Oahu, this one is a solid option. So what do you think? Could you see yourself living in the Diamond Head area? Or does the price and tourist traffic make you hesitant? Let us know in the comments below. Hopefully you found this video informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. And if you're looking to buy a home here, feel free to reach out. You can give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. We absolutely love helping people buy and invest in Hawaii. Whether your move is in just 9 days or 9 months from now, we're here to make your home buying process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Mahalo for watching, and aloha. We'll see you in the next video.